Okay, in the first alert forecast, we are still on track for rain. By the way, we're close enough to this system now that we're able to visualize what Thursday's rain will look like from an accumulation standpoint on the map. We're going to put numbers on this and we're going to time out the individual bands, but kind of right away, snapshot. We got rain coming on Thursday, and it's not just rain. We need to talk about wind with it now as well. We're going to cover all of that in this visit, but first, none of that's getting here till Wednesday night. You still have 2 days of spectacular, well above weather to enjoy. Look at tomorrow. How was today? Did you get outside at all today? Well, tomorrow's the same thing. These numbers are 10 to 12 degrees above average for this time of year. It will be 2 degrees shy of 80 in San Francisco. That's always the canary. That tells you what it's going to be like Bay Area wide. If we're going to be that warm there, everybody's going to be well above average. Hollister is going to be 2 degrees shy of 90. All right, Monday and Tuesday are just like that. Wednesday, it's going to get windy at night, and then Thursday, it is going to rain. You see the storm sitting out here now. The beautiful satellite imagery that is showing the formation of our front out here. I'm going to put the rain in it, and we're going to watch the depiction as this area drifts aimlessly for 2 days and then gets picked up by some energy coming out of the Gulf of Alaska, which grabs that moisture and throws it at us. The way we look at this is we compare and contrast the two different models. That's the American model, and we put that on the virtual set. Really gives us a good idea for how these systems are put together to see it on the big picture. Let's go to the European model now so we can slow it down and time it out. This one is better when it comes to getting specific details right on timing. It's just got a better track record. So let's see what this one has to say. And there's the start. Now keep in mind, Wednesday wind is the bigger issue. We're going to look at that next. But you get a little bit of light rain through here Wednesday night. However, it is clearly Thursday morning still when the best rain of this system is going to come through. What's really nice about this is it is now 72 hours going. With the last 3 days that the forecast model has held to this story. Thursday morning, main band of rain comes through. That builds confidence in this for now. And then we get a few leftover scattered showers into Thursday night. Probably won't be much, but a few showers left over. And then maybe this weak little impulse wants to come through on Friday. It's messy back there when we get to Friday. The main focus is the rain coming through on Thursday, primarily first half of the day, and we could get about an inch of rain in the North Bay out of it. And really, it could be an equal opportunity rainmaker for much of the Bay. Not concerned about flooding here, but that is rain that will impact the roads. And it'll be just as good, if not a little better, than some of the other systems that have come through here so far. Let me show you the wind. Watch the timing on this. Wednesday night. Gusts to near 50 along the coast up here through Mendocino. We're not going to get that here at home in the Bay, but it is going to get windy Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That is a newer element in terms of getting specifics here. San Francisco could see gusts of 45 miles an hour. Primary focus point for that is going to be on Thursday morning as the system comes through at that point for the majority of the Bay. All right, let's get to the 7-day forecast to show you how this will play out. And with a system like this, the devil's in the details, and we're really doing our best to give the best specifics on a system that is put together in such a way that makes it very difficult to do that. Cutoff lows are just notoriously hard for forecast models to resolve. So a 7-day forecast ends up looking like this. Now, it's not going to rain for all those days in a row. Takeaway is windy Wednesday night, still leftover wind Thursday morning. Bulk of the rain comes through first half of the day on Thursday. There could be another little system with a few light showers on Friday. And then we got to watch next weekend. Next weekend does not look overly impressive or concerning from a rain standpoint, but we can't take all the showers out just yet entirely. If next weekend matters a lot to you, you got something going on, stay with us. By about Tuesday of this week, Wednesday of this week, we're going to start nailing down the weekend. All right, Vern, over to you.